Hey, here's a distinction. The I want to versus how to. Here's what I've learned as an actor through doing some mystery visit. Yeah, so I would be visiting a particular building unannounced where I had to test out a certain safety protocol, for example, just to see how they would react to me doing something unexpected. Within the framework of a certain scenario, I had to improvise. So before going in, my mind kept running like, how am I going to do this? What should I be saying? What if they ask me this? What if I do that? And I use that as a way of training my mind, being mindful of this mental chatter, of my thoughts, creating all kinds of stories that have nothing to do with what actually happens. This allows me to have choice. It allows me to choose, well, not to listen to it, for instance, or create another more fun and powerful story. Because ultimately, it was never about how to. Really, it came down to my commitment. I am choosing to do this. I'm choosing to be this. And then the how unfolds naturally. For instance, if my job was to get inside a building with my crutches, for instance, simulating that I'm hurt, and then I'm asking for an exception and opening up another door instead of the regular revolving door, which I might get stuck in with my hurt leg. And every time I asked that, they reacted differently, and I had to come up with a new response with a different how. But the commitment, the decision behind it was always the same. I want to do this. I'm committed to being this employee. I want to work there. This is my actual injury, and I want to go inside. That's the foundation. It's a decision, just like it would be had I actually worked there. Or sometimes I had to play a scenario where I would unwittingly open a fire exit, making the fire alarm go off. That's really loud. And just to see if anyone would show up and how they would follow protocol. And I always found out how I would actually react way after the thing had gone off because of the adrenaline. Again, it was my focus on the want to and the choose to that kept me credible in that situation and not become self-conscious and blow my cover while trying to remember our lines, for instance. I wasn't going to remember any lines. The noise that the thing makes was like a reset button for my thoughts. But it wasn't a reset button for what I came there to do. So every time my clients ask themselves, how should I do something? I want to remind them of how resourceful they are. You figure it out how to do it. I want to make sure that we have created enough awareness around how much you actually want to. Because the want to, the commitment always trumps the how to. So ask yourself, how much do I really want to? And if the answer is, well, not really, well, why bother trying to figure out how? Just make a different choice, something that you actually want to do. Good luck.